Hi everyone, I hope you had a wonderful week. I am today making a smoked salmon salad. It's a layered salad, it's a beautiful salad, and I hope this will be a great suggestion for you for Christmas and New Year's. Now this salad is very delicate, and it kind of reminds me of potato salad a little bit, but it's just a little different. I'll show you how I make that. Also, I wanted to let you know that this salad can also be served as an appetizer. So if for the New Year's, if you guys want to have if you're hosting a party with just the appetizers where people can mingle around and socialize, etc., this is a really great suggestion. So what I have today is just a few ingredients, very easy to put together. So I have I boiled my vegetables. So I have potatoes. I peeled my carrots and I boiled them as well. Potato I peeled and boiled. Also, I have shredded just the hard-boiled eggs right here, salt and pepper. I have also just chopped or sliced, green onions. Also, I already chopped my smoked salmon right here. And I will put all the ingredients down for the recipe so you guys can follow a little easier. But I prepared everything ahead of time because this is really just very simple. So basically everything is hard boiled. Just make sure don't overcook it. And then what I did is I went ahead and just grated my carrots, grated my potatoes and the eggs, and just on the large side of it from here. But I have to suggest that every time you grate your potatoes or carrots, make sure to wash it when you finish after each one, and that way they kind of stay, they don't get mixed with other ingredients, etc. So that's that. So now we are going to make layered salad. I also have a mayo here, in which you can see. So this is basically a sandwich bag. I already put it in through the cup. And I added some mayonnaise inside, so it would be easy for me to grab, which is good. The mayonnaise is going to go in between the layers. So I decided to go with this platter. It's a very simple but elegant platter. I love this platter. It's a gift from my mom, so I treasure it. And I have a form. Now you can use any kind of mold, any size. I mean, you can make, I have several different sizes here, including, you see, in France, I love finding these things because they're so great with their pastries and such, and they're easy to find. But you can make as small as this, or as medium as this, or as large, etc., or even larger if you want. So you just need to basically increase your ingredients at that point. So now I'm going to show you. This is very simple process. So if you get everything prepared and ready, this is very simple. So I start with my potatoes first. So I put down my potatoes. So after each ingredient, just to make sure to pack it down quite well with the spoon or whatever that you like to use in your kitchen, like that. And then, so I think this is enough. I'm not going to use any more potatoes. So at this point, I have salt and just black pepper right here. So I'm just going to just throw a little bit of salt like that. And be a little generous with that, but just remember that your smoked salmon is salty already, so don't, just don't add too much salt. And there is some nice black pepper. So at this point, I'm going to add mayo. So I'm going to make just a little small slit with on this sandwich bag on the edge, like that. And with my scissors, I say my a lot, I don't know why. Okay, just a small one, like that. Let me see if I can cut this down. Okay. Okay, and just add mayo. Okay, I'm going to put it like that. Then all you have to do is spread with your spoon. It's just a little more, oops, too much. Okay. At this point, we are going to add our smoked salmon, which is I already pre-chopped my salmon. Then we add make sure it's evenly distributed inside of your mold, like that. Again, pack it down just a little bit. Okay, like this. So salmon is obviously already salty, so I'm not adding any salt or pepper. But after the salmon, I'm going to immediately add some green peppers. Green onions. And I'm not going to add mayo in between the salmon and green onions. Okay, so on top of the green onions, we are going to add mayo. Okay. So after the green onions, we are going to add our carrots. Again, carrots I just boiled basically in the water. You can also steam it if you like steamed, either way. But then it just grate it. There's no spices or anything added to it. So we're going to add the carrot layer. And this is very healthy. You can see so many good things in here. The fish and carrots, and we have the potatoes. Lots of vegetables and protein. So this is an excellent salad to have in healthy. And delicious. and then mayo. Okay, so at this point your last layer is going to be shredded hard-boiled eggs. Salt and pepper. So salt and pepper, make sure not to forget. I think I must have maybe forgot one layer, but just make sure that you're not overdoing it. But definitely after each layer, at least except for the salmon and green onions, you need to add salt and pepper. And then our last layer is going to be covered with mayonnaise. Just a little more. So you can decorate any way you like. There's so many beautiful, you know, we have a little bit of carrots. If you like to decorate with some carrots, it looks really pretty with beautiful bright colors here. And maybe some green onions, just like that. So any way you like, wherever your imagination is going to take you. Here we go. Okay, and at this point, it is recommended that you would refrigerate maybe, you know, an hour or so before serving. But honestly, I've even served without refrigerating immediately. So it really, either way, I think it works perfectly. So now I'm going to remove my mold and see how it comes out. So when you remove the mold, just don't, you know, just go easy on it. So don't remove it very fast. And there we go. Look at this beautiful layered smoked salmon salad, beautiful to serve to your guests or to your family. And you can also serve this as an appetizer with toasted baguettes with olive oil and garlic if you like. So either way, it's beautiful. So here we go. Hope this will inspire you to make one, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is a short video, but I thought I wanted to bring something to you for Christmas. So hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe to my videos if you liked them, and have a happy Merry Christmas from our family to you. And I will see you in my next video. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.